Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2015 Jaguar XF. The engine coolant reservoir is quick to find in the driver's side of the engine bay. The level markers are visible on the front of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a very straightforward process. The clearly labeled buttons and the touchscreen menu will make this a hassle-free procedure. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. A majority of the headlights are LED and will require entire housing replacements should they burn out, but the headlight itself is a xenon light and will prove cumbersome to change. Depending on which bulb you want to replace, you must first remove the air filter intake vent and the filter housing itself on the corresponding side, which will require tools and patience. Unlike most vehicles, the air conditioning fill cap is not located in the engine bay. Instead, it is located behind the front driver's side wheel, and you must turn the wheel and make a long reach in when attaching a hose to the charging port. You must work upside down while underneath the vehicle to remove a large panel secured by multiple different bolts and fasteners before you can reach the petcock. This will make for very tedious coolant flushes. Overall, due to many complicated setups, the 2015 Jaguar XF is a very difficult car to maintain, and prospective owners should be prepared for the possibility of lengthy repair procedures.